The brutal human sacrifice. Yes, today's video will discuss the brutal human sacrifice to God. And these all were created by the humans when the Spanish conquistador Hernan Cortes and his men arrived in Aztec. Actually, conquistador means one of the Spanish people who traveled to America in the 16th century and took the control of Mexico and Peru. So, according to this Spanish conquistador Hernan Cortes, when he arrived in the Aztec is the capital of Tenochtitlan. So, when this conquistador reached in the Aztec, then in 1521 with his men, then they described the witness of a grisly ceremony. Here, grisly ceremony is extremely unpleasant and brutal ceremony, which involved blood and killing of persons. In this type of ceremony, a razor sharp obsidian. Obsidian means a sharp rock, and it is like a glass. So a razor sharp obsidian was used to cut the chest of sacrificial victims. Sacrificial victims are those persons who were sacrificed to the gods. So the chest of those sacrificial victims were cut with the sharp, razor sharp obsidian, and then their hearts were taken out from their body. And after that, their still beating hearts, were offered to God. And this was the brutal custom. And after taking the beating heart from that dead person, his dead body was thrown away, was tossed down from the steps of towering Templo Mayor. Actually, Templo Mayor is the main temple of the Mexica. In this image, we can see that some people are killing brutally a person and is bringing out his heart to offer to God. Andres de Tapia, a conquistador, also described two rounded towers. There are two rounded towers near the Templo Mayor, and this was made entirely of human skulls. The towers were made with human skulls, the human skulls of the dead persons. So in this image, we can see that a towel like wall is made with the human skulls. This is the wall made with the human skulls with the dead persons, with the dead sacrificial victims. There was also a towering wooden rack displaying thousands more skulls with bored holes on them either side to allow the skulls to slide onto the wooden poles. So there were poles, there were racks, and those racks and poles showed the human skulls of the dead persons, of the victims who were offered to God. According to Spanish historian Fray Diego de Derun, near about 80,400 men, women, and children were sacrificed and killed to offer the god, actually, for the inauguration of the Templo Mayor. And all this were done under the Aztec emperor, one of the previous Aztec emperors. So we can imagine how brutal these customs were. Evidence is saying that the gruesome scenes are illustrated in the temple murals. Actually, gruesome means very unpleasant and very cruel system. And those scenes were illustrated, were drawn in the temple murals. Temple mural means a large picture that has been painted on the wall of a room or building. So on temple murals, we can see this type of scenes, and stone carving always says true. In this image, we can see this type of painting, this type of stone carving, that tower was made or wall was made with the skulls of the human. So, from today's video, we have come to know about the brutal and cruel system of sacrificing some victim people to the god. And those people were also killed brutally. Actually, the hearts of those people were offered to God. So, this was today's video. If you like this video, then please give a like for this video and share this video to your friends and relatives. Thank you all, and we are meeting in the next video.